Hi, this is Emil. Okay, let's get into the downloads. Okay, what this is it's a list of the paid download fields that you had set up for files that can be sold to customers. So that when somebody's placing an ad and they want to sell, let's say, a PDF file. Okay, in this case, I've set up a Moneybooker's automated payments interface manual.pdf. Okay. And what this allows you to do is look at it. You can actually go in, you can edit these fields, certain information in them, not all information. Um, change the number of hits. You can alter the cost, but usually you don't want to mess with this because it's normally being set up by a person who placed the ad, so you don't want to be affected. But it keeps totals of this information for you so that you have a better understanding uh, of what is out there. And when we get into the payments here, there's really nothing else more to look at. If I click on payments now, and that comes up with basically all the payments that have been made against a downloaded file. In this case, I just have the one. Okay, but it shows you, it should show you the user ID in the file because this is a leftover one. That's why nothing's assigned to it. Uh, the seller ID, the buyer's ID, the date of payment, and the status, completed or pending. Those are the only ones. So that if you had a huge list of items, you could search for a specific seller, you could search for a specific buyer, indicate the status, either completed or pending, and this will actually narrow it down if you had a large number of items. You can edit it by clicking on the ID or the download file ID. And there's really only four fields that can be altered. The payment date, the number of downloads, status situation, and the response value. Okay. You really won't ever need to use this except unless you had a situation where somebody had a item that they had started the process and it was in pending and you just wanted to set it to completed. Okay, so let's go back here, and then the other feature that is the downloads and payments is you can produce pie charts and bar charts. Um, Click on that, then it'll put up a little modal. And in this case, because there's only one, it's going to show you 100%, but it'll show you a pie chart and broken down by month in this case, income totals for Bo or uh, total download files. Okay, uh, you can close that out, or you can look at the bar chart and basically the same thing. It'll come up as a chart to break things down for you. Once you get items filled in, it'll come in handy for you to see who's doing it. I use this basically when I'm selling my classified Redux or featured ads or other components, and it comes in handy because then I can break it down and see what's coming from where. Okay, so that's all there is to the downloads and the payment section. Okay, you've pretty much seen it all. I'll update things as they come along, so come back and see other videos or things just to refresh your memory. Thanks. Bye.